Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. You have a baby girl shower to host. We have the favors for you. We're going to give you 3 ideas of these baby girl shower favors that are very simple, quick on time, and definitely easy on the budget. So these 3 looks are definitely doable in a quick afternoon. So let's go ahead and start. We're going to be using either Jordan almonds, or you can use some kind of pink, red, and white gumballs that are smaller, because this little booty that we have here, pink baby girl booty that we want to fill, you do want the favor kind of candies to be smaller. So this one, it takes about 3 to 4 Jordan almonds. And if you're wondering about the booties, they do come 12 pieces in a pack. And now we're just going to be using some of our 9-inch tool circles. We have them in a varied amount of colors, which you can see on our website. Everything's going to be in the description below, but we use 2 just because it's very light and you want to give a little bit more kind of structure to this and have the pink kind of show through. So just placing that booty in the middle there, and you're just going to bring up the sides, and we're going to cinch it up with some of our 3/8-inch white satin ribbon. You'll see in all of our favors here that you can use the same ribbon for all of the favors. Of course, if it's your desire to really just pop up all the pink and everything, go ahead, use a fuchsia ribbon, use some other pink ribbon. It's really up to you, but we thought the white one really complemented this little booty here. So last but not least, we're just gonna pop on a little kind of like bejeweled, bedazzled little hanging thing in the front. Yeah, that's technical terms, hangy thing. Yes, do take note. So we're just taking some fishing line, and there is our cute little plastic bear that we used. It's one of our pink plastic teddy bear favors, and they come in 144 pieces, and you're just gonna slide it onto the fishing line there. And that way, the reason why we use a lot of fishing line in our DIYs is because you don't have to use an extra ribbon. It keeps it nice and clean, and so that way everything looks really put together without any kind of extra that we're not looking for. So there you go, there are the cute little booties. These are really precious. And moving on to our second look here. So we're just gonna need one of our baby bottles. Here, these come in 12 pieces, and one of our 100-piece baby girl round stickers. Now just pop that sticker right on the bottom, and we're gonna once again take some kind of computer paper, stick it in there, and then drown it with some Jordan almonds, or you can put whatever you want. You can put M&Ms or like gumballs, whatever you'd like in there. And once again, we're using our white satin ribbon here just to finish it off. As you can see, these DIYs don't have to be complicated for it to be cute. It doesn't have to be expensive, but it does need a little bit of creativity, and we have that covered for you. So these are super cute and cost effective as well. So look number 3, our last but not least, I personally love this one probably the most, even though they're all super cute. These boxes, all you have to do is just bend all of the creases there just to get started. Now let's go ahead to the bottom of the box. They have like 4 of these little slits where you're gonna pop in the sides of the bottom of the box. They have these little wings, and you're just gonna slide them into those slits there. That way it's going to be a nice fold on the bottom, and everything's going to stay in place. So there you go, that is pretty much done. You can put whatever you want in it. We decided to put some Hershey Kisses, just a little change in environment here. It takes 22 Hershey Kisses. This box is 3 by 2 by 2 inches. So it's really petite, really, really cute. And I love the stripes and the cute little baby foot in front. It's so adorable. And once again, nothing wrong with a little bit of tying up the ends with some white ribbon here. And of course, satin. So it gives that nice kind of sheen there. So there you go. Perfect. You can even put a label on there if you have a smaller baby shower with everybody's name. Keep it a little bit more specific, add to that detail. But there you go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed these 3 little ideas for the baby shower favors. And if you did, make sure that you like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for all of your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.